In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review your audit log in QuickBooks Online. Reviewing your audit log can help you track changes and understand who made updates to your records, making it an essential task for maintaining accurate and transparent financial statements. Let's dive into the process step by step. To begin, open your Chrome browser. It's the platform we'll be using to access QuickBooks Online. Type in quickbooks.intuit.com in your browser's address bar and hit enter. This will take you to the QuickBooks homepage. Once there, you'll need to log in to access your QuickBooks account. Enter your username and password carefully, making sure everything is correct so you can smoothly transition into your account's dashboard. Once logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll find the gear icon, which serves as the settings menu within QuickBooks. Click on this icon to reveal several options. Under the Tools section, you will see an option labeled Audit Log. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to seeing all the activity that has taken place in your QuickBooks account, such as who logged in, what changes were made, and when they occurred. After entering the Audit Log section, you'll notice options to set the date range at the top of the screen. This feature is especially handy when you need to review activities from a specific time period. By default, QuickBooks will show you a broad date range, but you can customize it to fit the window you're interested in. Be specific, particularly if you're investigating a particular event or series of events. To refine your audit log review, take advantage of the filter options available. These filters include users, which allows you to see the actions taken by specific people, events, which helps you focus on particular types of changes, and dates, allowing you to zoom in on specific time frames. By applying these filters, you can hone in on the exact information you need, saving you time and effort. As you go through the log entries, you'll see comprehensive details, including who made changes, what exactly was altered, and the precise time the changes took place. For more detailed insight into any particular entry, just click on it. This action will open a more detailed view that provides additional context about the specific change made. Finally, if you find it necessary to keep a copy of the audit trail outside of QuickBooks, you have the option to export the log. Simply click on Export to Excel. This is a handy option for saving records or for sharing them with team members who might not have direct access to QuickBooks. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to reviewing and exporting your audit log in QuickBooks Online. Remember, regularly checking your audit log is a great way to stay on top of your books and ensure everything is in order. Happy bookkeeping!